Here on Engineering Specs, I figured out how to cut the story short. Okay. Today on water heater barbecuing. Okay. Water heater barbecuing. You need a sawzall. First you need a chop saw. Cut it in half. Cut a quarter of it off of it. Or half, but halfway, and then stop. And you cut it diagonal this way. So you get to the end part. At the center, you won't reach. Then, collect all the gold that's left behind, you know. See all the gold? See all that gold on Engineering Specs? See that? That's gold, California gold. Hey, it's in my fucking water. I paid for it. So, there she is. Use your imagination. How can you make your barbecue? You could run it, BQs to the bottom. You could run it with your setup. It's already set up right here. You hook up your propane tank right here, and it already has a thing in the bottom where you go. It's on, man. You can make tripes, anything you want in the bucket. On Engineering Specs.